Peace, y'all. Hey, I'm Ivory. I'm back, and it's time to eat again. And today I made 40 butter baked shrimp. Mm-hmm. Check it out, y'all. Oh, yes. I also have some greens and some rice and quinoa on the side. Two of my favorite hot sauces. Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce and Louisiana Sweet Heat with honey. For dessert, I have some juicy green grapes. And today I have a different black box wine, Chardonnay. Let's taste it. Cheers, y'all. I like the Chardonnay is better than the Cab Sav. Ooh. All right. Let's add a little hot sauce. I don't think I can eat all 40, but let's see. Ooh. Oh, that butter sauce. Oh, yes. Y'all want one? Oh, it's good. Oh, I'm so thankful for this good food. It's so good. There's some rainbow kale with onions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 so far. This is my first time making butter baked shrimp. And it's exactly what it sounds like. You can look it up if you want to. I'll probably make it on camera the next time. I was gonna cook on the grill at first, but it started raining outside. And this is Florida, so of course the sun came right on out, but I was ready to go out when it was raining, so I was over it when the sun was out. But I will grill some shrimp in a couple days. Dang, I got on my shirt. Good. I apologize if I smack a lot. Just did it again. My bad. Anyway. Y'all want some? Anybody want some butter baked shrimp? I won't lie. I won't lie. It needs some lemons. I'm sure somebody was already thinking that. Let me tell you. If I would have stopped to go to the store and get lemons, I would have also stopped and got some fruit. Stopped at my friend's house, went to the park, went by the river. I said, I need to go ahead and get this out of the way. Okay. Because I felt an appetite. And I said, let me not busy myself and end up eating a half a watermelon and then I'm full for the rest of the day. My appetite lately it's been a little iffy. It comes and goes. So I said, let me not even go get lemons, because lemons is going to turn into much, much more. Right. I'm 0 for 2, y'all. Gotta drop something every video. That's good. I'm getting full now. I think 21 or 22. It's about half of them. That's pretty good. I'm gonna get you a to-go box. Well, no, I guess I done picked all in it, huh? Licking my fingers. It was good, though. Yep. Mm. Mm. So y'all, earlier today, I ended up binge watching a few episodes on Candace Owens' channel. And she's like I'm just gonna call her a political voice, okay? Because Candace does a lot. She does a lot. But I'm not invested in politics enough to really say I fully understand where she stands versus everybody else, because I don't. However, it seems like she is literally obsessed with Kamala Harris. And see, it only matters to me because they're women. And stuff that affects women affects me to some degree. And Candace Owens, her platform, she has nearly 3 million followers or subscribers, supporters, whatever, critics. And it's important to me to see what she is out here sharing to the masses, because that's a large number. And since she has been on this whole Kamala Harris obsession or experiment, the views, I'm talking like some videos get 1 million views in a day because she posts every single day. Even when the video is not about Miss Harris, it's still about Miss Harris. I don't want to keep saying the names, too many times and mess up the algorithm, but I just don't really like how it seems like Candace is like hounding people, hounding Miss Harris, because it's almost like she has an agenda. And I'm not a hater. I'm not on one side or the other as far as these two women, because they're not going against each other. Miss Harris ain't even acknowledged Miss Owens, okay? But it seems like Candace, she got her foot on that lady's neck. She be digging in that ass every day. No diddy. But Miss Owens, Candace, it's almost a little creepy because there's other stuff going on right now. That's why I say it's an agenda. Because she going hard. And the only way that I can say she's doing it for a good cause is if the stuff she's saying about Miss Harris shape-shifting, race baiting, these manipulative word games, mind games, the word play, Candace getting into the details over there. And if her allegations are true, and I'm not talking about Miss Harris's body count, okay? Because folks say she slept her way to the top. she wouldn't be the first one. And men do it too. Yep. If you get it, you get it. Because some folk, y'all, see. Anyway. I'm not talking about the truth about her body count again. But I'm saying if she out here, y'all, the accent compilation video. Candace say Kamala change her accent every 2 or 3 months. Every location. Every rally. Y'all. Candace say the lady out here faking, okay? She faking. And she shape shifting depending on what kind of crowd she's in or around. It only matters if it's true. It only matters to me if it's true, because even though I could care less about, I feel like politics is a man's game. And it's not about having equal rights. Politics is problematic. It's violent, aggressive, and stressful. I don't wish that on any woman. But anyway, we all have free will. I just feel like if Miss Harris really is doing X, Y, and Z, damn girl, either she got a pimp or she desperate. I say that because why the hell is this power so important to you that you have to manipulate the masses? And I'm talking about either one of them, okay? Candace or Kamala. I know that Candace is not running for president. I know that. I'm saying my stance on this. I'm looking at these two women and I'm like, okay, on the one hand, Kamala seems like she's just thriving. She's just trying to be successful. But then Candace Owens is going so hard that it just makes me side-eye the situation like, damn, is she going this hard about it because some of this stuff is true? That means she's trying to help. That means Candace trying to help. If she done uncovered some truth and she's trying to expose it to everybody else, that's a good thing in my eyes. But on the other hand, it's like, damn, if not, Candace, you desperate, Candace. One of y'all, listen. Cause Candace got influence. And then on the other hand, I'm like, Kamala, she don't want to address this whole race thing. And I'm black, okay? I'm black. Don't play in my face. Don't play in my... You ain't got to pretend to be me just to kick it. You... You ain't got a lot of kick it. Anyway, I love y'all. I'm about to let y'all go so I can clean this mess up. grapes and grapes in my mouth. It's giving. Anyway, I love y'all. I'm going to take my water and my wine and head on outside, okay? Pay attention, y'all. Pay attention. There's a lot of Judases out here. There's a lot of master manipulators. Don't mess around and get fooled out here. And get used because you got food. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow with some grilled salmon and probably a Caesar salad. I'll probably do a blackened salmon Caesar salad. With I might this Chardonnay kind of good. I'm gonna put a lid on this. Oh damn, I dropped it. Let me get some aluminum foil. The ghetto. Peace, y'all.